Welcome to Balerno, a picture-pretty village close to Edinburgh with a distinctive rural identity. Hugged by lush greenery, mature woodland, reservoirs and the rolling water of Leith, being outdoors is a treat in every season. Village life is active. The locals keep busy with clubs to suit every taste, and twice a month menus are broadened with the spoils of a farmer's market. Balerno is known for its excellent education and recreational facilities, including Dean Park Primary and Balerno High, Curry Rugby and Football Club, Balerno Lawn Tennis and Bowling Clubs. For a round of golf or even a more relaxing spa treatment, the Dalmahoy Golf and Country Club with Marriott 4-star Hotel is the perfect place to unwind.